Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Section 3K of the Indian Patent Act, which talks about software per se is not patentable or software algorithm per se is not patentable. How to overcome this objection during the examination stage where there's some kind of software and hardware combination being filed before the patent office for a patent grant. The important step here is to provide the disclosure in a manner where there's a tangible technical benefit of using the algorithm, and the algorithm per se can only be deployed on a device, which is the hardware part, for the execution. And this is the manner in which anything which is related to computer or software would be patentable under the Indian patent law. Now, how to go about filing a application, especially for the mobile application, mobile based app applications, and how to overcome this objection. So at the first stance itself, schematic representation of the flow diagrams, which includes the steps, and the steps should be such that it is a tangible benefit. So wherever a computer program or an algorithm demonstrates a technical benefit or technical contribution which is just beyond the abstract idea or concept, is patentable. A lot of patent applications are going to be filed in 2025 where AI is going to be utilized as one of the modules for the execution. So what is the better way of writing a patent application? Should the patent claims be claimed as units? Claims should be written is the question the drafter needs to answer. The words generally which are utilized for software-based applications are units, modules, compartments, elements. However, module has a better understanding in terms of the literal meaning of what a module can execute and what is the function of the module. Even a module can have a submodule. So the function of module is the execution of that particular step, and the module itself can have submodules. So you are going to see a lot of patent application which has been granted by any of the patent offices when you do the comparison between India, US and European Union. There's a silver lining we need to understand in terms of how one patent can be granted in multiple jurisdictions. So at the first stance itself, the patent application has to be written with the guidelines of all these countries. Similar invention having a different kind of a patent grant in India as compared to US, as compared to the EPO. The emphasis in the patent application has to be around the technical advantages in terms of the functionality. It's not only what the advantage is all about, but what is the technical advantage and the tangible benefit of utilizing that particular technicality to solve a problem. Section 3K can be overcome by illustrating in the detailed description along with the drawings, which is semantic drawings. Then you have flowcharts and flow diagrams. The difference between flowchart and flow diagrams has to be kept in mind and written in a manner which is able to illustrate very clearly the technical effect of the invention. The technical function can only be performed using hardware component. It is imperative for the understanding that the desired output can only be achieved when it is functioning with the hardware component, and that is why the original claims should be drafted in a manner where one set of patent claims should be system patent claims and one set should be the method patent claims. As 3K computer program per se can be overcome with the detailed description of the technicalities along with the figures. If you have any questions, put your questions in the comment box below. Have a great day ahead.